You a move body giving seen the views. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing.
Hey, we're back with another video, and today we
Yo.
are going to play Don't Press the Button.
Yep.
You are about to see a banger happen right now. Let's get started. Start with this.
Alright, guys.
So basically, we have. He's saying hi.
Wow. I'll see you guys in a minute.
Basically, we're just going to. Well, Kason doesn't have a feature I have, which he would probably get jealous of, but so I'm not going to use it. I can basically fly because I play this game all the time. If you don't see, it's this. This helps me fly.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Why not use it?
You let me use it? Use it?
Yeah, why?
Alright. Because most people I play with don't let me use it. Don't like when I use it. It annoys them. But every time I play this, I'm always moving. So someone presses it and then we get this. But when I'm not moving... Look. I also have a blow dry where I can blow people. Right there.
That's cool.
There's my blow dryer.
So when did you get it?
Month ago.
Month ago?
Yeah.
And when did you start playing this game ago?
I played this game long time ago. Long time ago. I played this since I was 6. Or more or less. Well, when I first played Roblox, all I did is I played, what do you call it? Obbies. Because that's all I knew about Roblox until I started playing other games.
When I started playing Roblox, I played,
Look at what this Grace girl's doing. She's just throwing money everywhere. Jesus. Rob the bank. Kason, you played Don't Press the Button 4 yet?
What?
Have you played this game before?
Yeah. But not often.
Alright. I play a game. To be careful because my health is not the best. You know I'm gonna fly. No! I'm gonna fly. So I can just speed doing this. Just speed do this. Oh, we're gonna get this. Now let's
I'll be back.
Uh-huh. So, guys, we'll be right back in a second. Okay.
What? So where is it?
You died.
So,
you have to
died.
go, only me and I love unicorns 1x. What username is that?
Exactly.
That is the stupidest name I know to this day.
I love unicorns.
How dumb is that?
And there's a one where it says 6-7.
I quit. I quit. I quit. We'll be right back. Give me a second. Okay. As soon as I join back, I come to a bomb. How interesting. Right, guys? Pretty interesting. Kason got knowledge.
Knowledge. Hey! Knowledge.
We're gonna... Oh, I love this. This is fun. We're gonna... Bam.
What?
Dang it!
Oh.
You see, this game will get you mad. It will get you mad, but you just have to get used to it. It's also kind of fun. Watch this.
Yeah, the game's fun. I like.
Now I'm gonna use my special thing called the blow dryer. Go right in front of it. I'll show you what it does. Alright, hold on. Let me get it. Hold on. Let me see. Alright, let me try this again. Let me just let it reload again. Or we're gonna try this the second time.
Whoa.
Pretty powerful.
Yep, that's
And this is how I get first place. We're gonna go right here. No one says fast as me. Bam! Easy. Now let's just watch these slow pokes finish.
I'm third.
You were third?
Mm-hmm.
I jumped!
I jumped.
What do you think
I jumped.
did? Huh?
I jumped.
So did I.
That's so weird.
Sometimes it does that.
What button?
Oh, I thought that was the button. Dang it. You have to find the button that starts the round.
So it's not in the middle?
Right there.
Oh!
And then you press this. This is what starts. We froze.
Who pressed it? Oh,
Yeah, but I do this.
You pressed it.
Huh? Look, I'm gonna make everyone little. Ah! Which I'm gonna set Kason little. Oh, wait. Let me pick up my flying equipment. Because I know it helps. Hold on. I have to pick up my fly equipment. So I can fly. Have a nice day, people. Why am I so big? I don't like that. Hey! Okay. So let me put this fly equipment down. Whoa! You thought. Bro thought. Right there. Why do I keep falling?
Just step on a rock. I'm pretty
No,
sure
there's
you
a
can
wall.
die, but
There's an invisible wall.
Oh. Oh.
Where's the present? There's a present here. Okay. Never mind. We'll go right here. Okay. I'm kind of tired of being big now.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah, I don't like being big. Why? There's so many disadvantages. One, I'm slow.
But at least you survived so many rounds.
Yeah.
That's something.
Can this? Bro's trying. Try hard. This is a try hard Karen right here. This is a Karen. This is what Karens are.
Yeah, guys.
Okay. Gonna go right here. Cover all this up. She thought she even got all of this.
Happens in second.
Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna reset. Okay, we're back. Now, let me just pull out all my favorite equipment. And then I fly all the way to the top. Although it don't give me nothing.
Dang.
Okay. Again, why everywhere I turn around this Grace girl is here?
Wait, what?
We're good. Just stay. That means we get free. Oh wait, never mind. We died. Never mind about that one.
As I'm smaller again now.
Yeah.
That's good.
We're-
But
Look at
I don't
look at
really
this.
like.
Video. Alright, I started it.
Right.
Right. Completely right, I know. I'm kidding. What? Stop following us, man. Grace is a creep, I think. Or she's just probably following the air.
I just need to feed the giant nigga.
Yeah, beans, you feed yourself. I haven't done this in
What?
a long time. I usually just skip this round, but I'll do it just because there's people watching. Happy, guys? Perfect. I'm only doing it once. Okay, so stay right there. How do you like
Yes, I
that?
pressed it.
Huh? You pressed
What?
it?
Like what?
If you pressed it, there's a little statue that you see yourself. But you
Yeah, I
haven't
know.
played this in a long time, so you don't know. Hey, hello, thank you. Get out of here. No! I was at the most. Let me cook. I will stop this at probably 13 minutes. We are at 12 right now. Let him cook. Why do I used to cook on this so badly. Everyone would have been so bad. Alright. We're back.
Alright.
Press the thing. Watch the giant volcano. It's dropping balls everywhere. And I always die on this one. And it sucks. Can I not die for one? It looks like I'm doing good. Right. Jason, how many times have you died?
Only like 3, I think.
I've died none for
This
the
one's
first
the
time.
easiest.
Yeah, finally! No. Dang it. I have my fly thing is the problem. Game won't let me, put it there.
The thing what I want to do
Alright,
is like
this
stay
is the
away
end of
from
the-
that girl.
No,
Video?
not yet. Alright, this is the end of
underground.
the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. This was a banger video. We're gonna end this right now. Peace.
Peace.